power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 in black with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, lane departure warning system, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 42,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90105A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.